Hi! Kain po, kain. Wala tayong guest ni sa kasa guys. Tayo muna yung guest. Nagiyaw tayo ng bangus. May bangus, may talong, tsaka inihaw na atay.
May talong.
Then panghimagas, mangga. Kain po.
This is my celebration for my birthday.
Ito yung atay.
Na there.
No.
Late celebration. That's his birthday.
It's the birthday.
Sarap.
Ako.
Oh, alam ko lang anak. Hindi na ako nag-ano ng sabaw. Ano pala ng ihaw
Ito
dito.
yummy.
Yummy daw. May lula lang. Ano pala no? Masilaw.
Bangos.
Bagay mo sa isig masilaw. Masilaw.
Ano? Yan.
Nasaan na? Ano?
Sarap. It's nice.
Tastes good? Yes.
Anghang. Napasobratan ng anghang.
Yung anak ko nagkakamay din.
Natalia, nagkakamay din.
Ay, kamay nga. Ano man kamay? Pakilang mo, daddy. Yes, sir.
How to use your hand? Ang sobrang na? Sobrang?
No, from daddy.
Mamaya, ay ito ngayon. Coke pa, mamaya. Red Doors na to.
Check.
Ay. Cheers!
May cheers pa.
Sarap.
On the door is flashing.
Yeah.
On the swimming pool.
Talong guys, talong.
We have fruits.
Sarap.
Mama, I'm almost done.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, look, I'm finished.
Yeah, you finish it.
So we're gonna swimming pool and then
Yes.
swimming pool.
So yummy? Yummy fish?
Yes, and Daddy, you gotta go faster and faster. Like
Yeah.
me.
Ano oras din?
12:25. 20. Pipino. You want? You want cucumber?
Think you said a burger.
Ito man.
Dami ko nang hinay kanina pa. Papa, turutan mo.
Mangga, panghimagas. Oh, what do you want?
Mangga.
You want a spoon? You don't like a spoon?
Okay, if you want, if I want.
I give you. I give you a spoon. Mmm. Tamis.
Tamis, be? Ang murang kilo ngayon, 80 pesos lang.
Mmm. Magkano kilo?
80.
Hmm.
Ano yan?
Ay, this one. This for you. Mura lang kilo nito guys. 80. 80 ang kilo.
Oh my god. This is worthy.
Mmm.
Let me try this.
Sarap.
Alright.
Mmm.
Oh my god.
Mmm. I help you? Come. Can I help you? Can I help you?
I think that's good.
Mmm. No, don't play that one.
Ba't na walang tulas?
Ewan ko, bigla eh. Nagsilos din yata. Yeah. Mmm.
Oh, wala nang kahapon yun.
No.
Subuan mo na nga lang.
Okay. Mmm. Yummy Mingo?
Ayoko niya.
Ayaw mo na?